Hello everyone, we're back with another good question. Let's solve it right away. Let's look at the solution now. 2 minus 2 equals 0 and 2 minus 2 equals 0. Now 0 times 0 equals 0. If you found the answer like this, you solved it wrong. When solving this question, we use the principle of order of operations. PEMDAS in short. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. There's another feature here. Multiplication and division are not ordered. They are performed from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction are performed from left to right. Now, let's solve the question using these rules. First, we multiply 2 times 2 equals 4. There are 2 more subtractions left. We work from left to right. 2 minus 4 equals negative 2. Finally, we'll do one more subtraction. Minus 2 equals negative 4. Let's see how it works. There are 2 minuses here. There are 2 minuses here. There are 4 minuses in total. The answer is negative 4. Now, find your answer to this question and write it in the comments. Let's see who can find the correct answer. Our videos will continue. Subscribe using the logo on the screen so you don't miss any new videos. You can access other videos from the boxes on one side. See you in the next video.